Hello and welcome in this video in which we will convert a PowerPoint to a video using artificial intelligence. So here on FlexClip, once an account is created, you can go to AI tools, and from these AI tools there is a tool called AI PPT PDF to video, which means artificial intelligence that will convert PowerPoints, PPT files or PDFs, Acrobat Reader document files, to a video. In my case, I have a PowerPoint that I want to convert to a video, which is what we'll do here. So I select this tool AI PPT PDF to video. The interface is loading, and here it prompts me to click or drag to upload, and I should upload file in PPT, PPTX, or PDF format. The file should be up to 50 megabytes and 50 pages, which is my case here. I have a PPTX file that is 17.5 megabytes, and it is less than 50 slides. So if we open it, here we can see this is the file I have, and it is 40 slides, so it should be fine. The size is okay. Now let's drag and drop my PowerPoint PPTX file to FlexClip's AI interface. It will read my file and generate a video based on the content in my PowerPoint file, which is very convenient when you create, for example, presentations on PowerPoint, or you have documents on PDF format and you want to generate video content related to the existing content you have. You can simply use this tool to generate a video based on the content you have. So depending on the size and the difficulty of your content, it might take more or less time to generate a video based on your file, which is what is happening now in the background. The artificial intelligence is reading my file and finding the best way to turn it into a video. So if you don't have yet a FlexClip account, I recommend you to try it. They have a lot of tools, including free tools, including AI tools. I use it for a lot of video editing and some AI stuff. So now I have some more settings. I can select the language. So here my video will be in English based on this PowerPoint in English, which is what I want to achieve. I can choose the voice. So here, for example, this is Jenny's voice. I can play it to see if I like it.
List as references are already queued to say.
Okay, so in this case, we'll not change the voice. We'll keep it that way with standard speeds, standard speech, and standard voice style. But as you can see, you have plenty of voice styles. You have general, you can have an assistant voice, we can have a chat voice, at least
Well,
a voice
Theo,
style.
come to think of it, I think that was a cover version of.
So you can listen to them and choose the one that is best for you. You have a lot of different voices. So depending on the type of content you want to create, maybe you want to select a specific voice. Here, in this example, we will stick to a general voice without any extra stuff. We can also change the subtitles, so we can embed subtitles, have them hard-coded in the video. Here, for example, I don't want to do that for this example, but if I wanted to include hard-coded subtitles, I just have to select the style based on many styles available, and it will hard-code these subtitles in the video. Actually, hard coding the subtitles doesn't cost any AI credit. So you can see if I turn off this subtitles generation, it will still cost me 22.3 credits. And as you can see, it costs 2 credits per time, and the text to speech is 1 credit per 320 characters. So this is the cost in credit that you must have already on your account. So here I have more than enough credits. I have 9,500 credits, and it only takes me 22 credits to turn this PowerPoint into a video. So let's proceed. And I keep most settings simple in this example. And now it is generating the video based on my PowerPoint. So again, if you after you have created a FlexClip account, you can simply get credits by getting a subscription. And here we go. We have the everything loading slowly. And now I have my video ready based on my PowerPoint, and we can start it.
This PPT is about sharing your knowledge online. In this course, we'll cover creating an
So,
online course, planning your content.
not sure if you can listen to it, but actually what we have here is a background music that has been added automatically by the artificial intelligence. We have a text-to-speech voiceover that is reading the text that was provided in the PowerPoint. So if we open the PowerPoint, I had properly created my PowerPoint with also some notes, and the notes actually kind of include the script that should be read while viewing the PowerPoint. And in this case, the artificial intelligence is reading a script. So here we go. Now we have already a full video based on our PowerPoint. It was very simple, very fast. So here I will not play it because you will not listen to it in the video, but I will put the link to this video that has been generated in the comments or in the description, and you can have a look at the video that has been generated and see for yourself if you like it or not, if it is useful for you or not. If that's the case, I recommend you to create a free account on FlexClip first. Have a look at their free tools. There are a lot of free tools. For example, the video editor is based on your computer, so it doesn't need any credit to run. I use it a lot to do some basic video editing, such as adding a voiceover that I pre-recorded to a video, some simple editing like that. And for more advanced editing, get a subscription. There are plenty of useful tools, AI tools, standard tools, design tools to create good videos, as most videos on my channel are actually created or updated, um, edited with FlexClip. So again, this was the FlexClip AI artificial intelligence PowerPoint PDF to video tool, and it is a very simple to use tool to transform your presentations into videos.